Hey everyone, so I'm at the shop today. When we were out in Victoria, because it was so warm, all my cables have come loose from the sticky things. I'm not too sure what they're called, because it's so warm. I don't think the adhesive on the back of them are doing very good, so I'm going to, I have this black sealant adhesive stuff I used to fix my GoPro. I'm gonna try that. I'm hoping it works, but if not, well, plan B. So we'll have to figure it out. So I will see you in a bit. Well, first things first. I have some of these little things that I'm gonna need. And then I have this stuff. It's like a black silicone sealer I use for the outside of my truck box. I'm hoping it's gonna work. Problem is with this stuff, I do believe you have to let it sit for like roughly an hour. So we're gonna go. I just need to use my cell phone because I most definitely can't read this. So I'll see you in a bit. Clean, dry all surfaces. Well, I'm gonna try a couple. Okay. Let's need to grab one of these. Break it in half. And then this. And once I do this, I think I'm gonna have to, if I can let it dry fully before I go and well, we're gonna soon find out if this works or not. I'm just gonna start off on this one side and hopefully they'll stick okay. Okay, We're gonna let that hang out for a bit, and I need to get a fucking cloth of some sort. Why? So I'm gonna let those dry off a little bit and hopefully tack up a bit. I'm gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes so that way it gets a little tacky, and then I'm gonna hopefully it's gonna work. If not, I'm gonna have to do plan B, because it's just so warm in the back of my truck. It's just, they're not sticking. The ones up in the back are, I wonder, maybe the white ones suck, but my black ones that I have are great. We're gonna soon find out. If not, maybe I'll have to go buy some black ones. It's looking like it might be okay. Okay. I'm praying that this works. Okay, I need to go wash my hands really quick. And then I'll cut down the rest of them, and then hopefully I'll let this dry for a bit, quite a bit. So, okay, I'm gonna close this up just a tad. All right, I have those all set up. I'm hoping it works. I'm gonna give it a solid hour before I even try anything on it. And well, let's cross our fingers that they don't pull right off, but I wanna give it like a solid hour of drying. So I'll see you then. Thank you, bye. Well, I brought both things of zip ties. So it's been roughly an hour, so I'm going to start zip tying these up. Yep. Nope. Nope. Okay, I don't know what to do about that. Well, I'm gonna redo that one that fell off, and then I think I'm done for today. We're gonna re-stick this. All right, everyone, so there's that. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to let these dry for 24 hours before I do anything with it, just to make sure it's fully dry and cured. Hoping it'll work. It's still up in the air. I really don't know. So I'm hoping it does. As long as I think as long as I don't have anything pulling on it, and it gives it a chance to fully dry the next 24 hours, I think they'll be okay. But I don't know. If this doesn't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to figure something out. It's weird that my back ones are staying no problem, but these ones over here are not. I think there's just heavy, there's more wire hanging on it. It's heavier wire, so it's just not thing, and the heat. I think the heat's not really helping matters much either. So hopefully, I'm hoping it'll work. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey everyone, I'm back. I let that stuff cure for a solid 24 hours, so Let's see if it's gonna hold this wire. Alright, let's get at her. Clippers, zip ties. Well, let's where are we gonna start here? Okay, move that. Okay, we're looking stellar so far. Sorry, someone's messaging me. All right, I'm happy. It seems to be working so far. All right, everyone. I think I'm done. It seemed to work. It's holding. I'll probably update you in the next few days here. Yeah. So do me a favor. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Like, comment, subscribe. Do it. I know you want to. Come on. All right. Have a good one. See you next time. Bye.